Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for those who have already watched previous tutorials and have subscribed, and welcome to those who are new to my channel. I am Julissa Mokoko, a UI UX designer, graphic designer, and web designer. I know that is so long, but without so much of an introduction, let's dive right into what we are going to be learning today. We are going to be creating checkboxes. So what exactly is a checkbox? A checkbox is an input control option that allows a user to select a number of choices from a list of options. So for example, if you have 100 options and you want a user to have the freedom of selecting one or more options, then a checkbox is going to be the right input control to use in this instance. Now that we have an idea of what a checkbox is, we are going to go right into our tutorial. When creating any checkbox to be used in any of your projects, you need to keep in mind that the checkbox has three states: true, false, and indeterminate. With true or false, it just means that the checkbox is either checked, that is on, or unchecked, that is off. Indeterminate simply indicates that the checkbox is neither on or off. So guys, we've come to the end of our tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please, this is the time for you to subscribe. Do not leave this channel without subscribing. There are other videos that you can go watch and learn 1 or 2 tricks from. If you have something to say about the tutorial or you want me to work on something new, please leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks again for watching. Bye.